Oh, sawa.
Niko na furaha sana kwa kuja kwenu. Yangu ni saizi na prepare kwenda London Diamond League kwa wiki ijayo Sunday. Nitakuwa na race.
Me, I really feel happy. I feel great to be honored. At least it's a kind of motivation. You really motivate us. We feel that when we do something great, you really honor us. And this really boosts a lot of morale to my career because I'll do my extra effort in athletics to make sure that I win as many times as possible.